Hello cow. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Canggu area, the tourist village in Bali, during the pandemic corona on September 2021. So if you want to know the situation right there, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Canggu area on Brawa Street until to the beach. So we will see how the situation right there at the moment during the pandemic corona on September 2021. As we know together, Canggu is very famous for tourism, so that's why there is a lot of tourists stay there. And Canggu area we call Kampung Bule or tourism village. Okay guys, now we are in Canggu area. You see right side and left side? There is the tourist there. So that's why I just gonna say like in Canggu area there is a lot of tourists even in the pandemic corona. And to stay in Canggu area is the best choice during the pandemic corona because in this area there is a lot of shop and restaurants still open during the pandemic corona. Okay guys, now we are in Berawa Street. So this is the situation during the pandemic corona in Brawa. But today is very quiet. Usually it's always busy around here. Oh, there is tourists driving with a bike. Left side there's a restaurant. Left side also restaurant. There is a lot more bike parking there. That is good. Busy, isn't it? I mean like a lot of motorbike parking, they go to the restaurant. You see tourists right side on the sidewalk? Yeah, I'm really happy. Also that on motorbike. Also that. A lot of tourists around here, even during the pandemic corona. Left side there is a restaurant. Also right side there is a restaurant. A lot of tourists in this area. You see tourists left side? Yeah, everywhere. If you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. I mean, very blue sky. And actually, since 3 days ago, our government say all tourism attraction is open. The beach open, the mall open, the temple open. Yes, this is the good sign for Bali actually. So we hope together in the next few days there is a lot of tourists from local people come to Bali to make holiday. And then for region, for border will be open also. You see the tourists on motorbike? They're speeding. That's good. I'm really happy to see that. Oh, you see how the beautiful weather today, isn't it? It's very beautiful. You see left side? There is a restaurant and a lot of tourists there. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, and also you can share this video because there is a lot of people waiting the new update from situation in Bali. Shop left side open, restaurant open. Wow, everything open here. That's good. It's very beautiful here. Tourist left side? Yeah. Everywhere as I told you. So that's why Canggu we call Kampung Bule because a lot of the tourism from other country come to this area and they stay here. You see at the front, if I turn right, there is the way to go to Seminyak. But now we turn left because we will explore Brawa Street and the beach. You see, a lot of tourists there on motorbike also. I'm really happy to see that. We hope together the international border will be open as soon as possible. I'm gonna say sorry because when I see the tourists, I'm really happy. Do you know why? Because I was a tour driver in Bali. So I took a lot of customers from other country. So that's why, since 2 years ago, I lost my job. And then, when I see the tourists in Bali, I'm really happy. And I hope all the tourists will be coming back to Bali very soonly. You see the weather today, brother? It's very beautiful. I mean, very clear. I love this weather. Is anyone been here before? In Canggu area? Yeah, you should coming back. It's very beautiful around here. And actually, my job in Bali is a tour driver in Bali. So that's why, if you coming back, I hope I will be your driver. So let's pray together. This pandemic corona will be over as soon as possible. So you can come to Bali and I can drive you in Bali. In this area, there is not so many hotel, but there is some villa in this area. So that's why at the outside just look like local people house and shop. But behind there is a lot of villa. In Canggu area, there is a lot of beach, like Eco Beach, Brawa Beach, Batu Bolong Beach, Seseh Beach, and else. And also very unique because in this area in Canggu, the beach sand is black. So will be very beautiful. And also in Canggu, there is some beautiful beach for surfing. So that's why a lot of surfers stay around Ubud also. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Raya Smart Street. On Raya Smart Street, there is a lot of restaurants and hotels. Also small cafe and bar. So that's why in this area also I was busy with the tourists. You see the right side? Tourists. Right side restaurant, but quiet. You see? Right side, left side, a lot of car parking. They go to the restaurant and cafe. Actually, I'm gonna say the best place to stay during the pandemic corona is in Canggu because there is a lot the shop, a restaurant, and beach still open there. You see the right side? There is a lot of car and motorbike parking there. That's good. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Pemelisan Agung Street. If you see in the right side, there is head office for this village. This village we call Tibu Menung village. So you can see the right side, the green field of this Tibu Menung village. You see, this area look busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car and motorbike. And actually, Canggu area is quite big, so that's why we cannot explore all together on this video. So in this video, I just will explore in around Brawa Street. And now we will see how the beach in this Brawa beach. That for sure will be open because since 3 days ago, the beaches is already open in Bali. You see in this area, right side, left side, there is a lot of hotel and villa. So guys, what do you think about Canggu? It's very beautiful, isn't it? So do you have planning to stay here one day? Yeah, we hope so. You see right side, left side, there's a lot of hotels and villa. And now during the pandemic corona, the prices of villa and hotel just going down. It's very cheap at the moment. Okay guys, we will reach Berawa beach very soonly. It's only 400 meters from here to go to the beach. You see left side? there is a village temple. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Canggu area during the pandemic corona of September 2021. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during the pandemic corona. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.